Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products. Today, we're focusing on a product that promises to restore, repair, and strengthen. LONDONTOWN's Get Strong Nail Hardener. If you've ever struggled with brittle peeling nails, this one's for you. LONDONTOWN's Get Strong Nail Hardener isn't just another nail treatment. It's formulated to fortify nails, especially those damaged by harsh chemicals, daily wear, or simply lack of care. This strengthening liquid, housed in a 0.24-ounce bottle, is a conditioning nail care treatment that claims to promote long, healthy nails. The formula is designed with a specific focus on restoring nails to their natural strength, and it's meant to be easy to incorporate into your routine. When I first tried this, I had a lot of expectation around its conditioning properties. I've used various nail treatments in the past, but this one promised something a bit different. More of a long-term solution rather than a quick fix. The application process was straightforward. The liquid was easy to apply with its small brush, and I liked that it wasn't too thick, so it dried fairly quickly. It doesn't leave any streaks or a weird finish on the nails, which I appreciated. I incorporated this into my routine, applying it a couple of times a week to my nails and cuticles. One thing that stood out was how gentle the product felt. My nails didn't feel overburdened or weighed down by a thick layer of treatment, which can sometimes happen with other hardeners. Over the course of a few weeks, I noticed that my nails did feel slightly stronger and less prone to chipping or peeling, but results were gradual. There wasn't an overnight miracle, but that's not unexpected with strengthening treatments. Now let's break down the key points. The pros: first, the formula is light, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly, which is great if you have a busy schedule and don't want to wait around for treatment to dry. It also didn't irritate my nails or cuticles, a big plus for those with sensitive skin. It has a neutral scent, so it won't compete with your favorite perfume. As for the cons, while it's effective, don't expect instant results. It takes time for any nail hardener to truly show its potential, and while my nails were definitely stronger by the end of my trial, the process was a bit slower than I had hoped. Another point worth mentioning is the size of the bottle. While the product does last a good amount of time with proper use, I can see how some might feel like they need more of it for the price, considering that it's a small bottle for a product that needs reapplication. Is this worth the price? Well, if you're looking for a gradual, dependable strengthening treatment that you can easily incorporate into your routine, I'd say yes. However, if you're someone who needs something more immediate or high-powered for severe nail damage, you might need something stronger or a different solution altogether. There are alternatives in the market though, so if LONDONTOWN's Get Strong Nail Hardener isn't quite within your budget, you could look into other nail strengthening treatments from brands like OPI or Sally Hansen. They offer similar treatments, some of which may come at a more affordable price point depending on what you're looking for. When it comes to build quality, the packaging feels durable, and the brush applicator makes it easy to apply the product precisely. In terms of longevity, you can expect it to last a few weeks with regular use, which I think is pretty standard for nail treatments. There aren't any major changes or updates to the formula that I'm aware of, so what you see is what you get. To wrap up, if you're looking for a gradual solution for weak, brittle nails and don't mind taking the time for consistent use, LONDONTOWN's Get Strong Nail Hardener could be a good fit. It strengthens and conditions over time, and while it's not a quick fix, it gets the job done effectively. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. If you're curious about purchasing, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.